you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right, I'm going to try and get this through this here right and quick here. Now, this here, as you can see, is a leg. Now, that wee symbol there is the symbol for the Isle of Man. That's a wee island between England and Northern Ireland. I don't know what the leg means. This here is an 8450, by the way. The shackle is, the spring on it is not working, but it's very nice. I'm going to fly through these here because there's quite a few here to go through here. That's it there. So, right, that's that one there. Right, I want to show you a bunch of Abus ones because I want to get these out of my road. Right, these are all the same. Football, as you would call them, soccer in America. That's that one there. I'm just going to whip through these here. Golf. Don't point me showing the keys easy, but I don't know why. Obviously tennis. I don't know what that one there is. I have no idea what ball that is there. So don't ask me. I have no idea. And I spare keys here for some reason. I don't know why. And swimming. Right, I'll just open this one because just to show you. And that's not the key. Why is it not the key? Ugh. Don't tell me I'm gonna go wrong. Ah, right. I've had many keys down here, it's unreal. Right, that's them ones there. That was just sort of the A-bus. There's 5 of them there. And I just want to get that out of the road. Right. Yes. This here is an old ICI. Nice, you think? With the original key, by the way. I've got to really go fast here. Okay. Yeah, that snap is, I would say, poor to say the very least. This is going to Chris Capoon. We're going to do a trade for that somewhere along the line, but anyway. Let's see. What's this here? I don't know what it is. Oh yes, Lockwood. I think so. The wee Pentunder ones. What's wrong with now? Okay. Sorry, I'm just flying through these here because I want to get these out of my road. I've a stack of blocks around this here place here. This is a wee small square. As you can see, it's really small. You can see the tips of my fingers. It's really small. I don't know why it's metal or not. Ah, it is. Oh, it's like food's metal, isn't it? It's a dead shackle, by the way. Beautiful wee lock, and I like it. But again, that could probably make its way for a trade. Knowing me, it'd probably go to Chris. This here is, obviously you can tell, the Union, but it comes with now this here is a Yale keyway. Can you see that? How I know that there? Because there's a Yale key there, and it's stamped on this side here with the proper thing on it, so it is for this here lock. Even though it's a union lock, it's a Yale keyway. Dead shackle, obviously. So, me personally, that's is going for a trade. That'll make its way for a trade somewhere along the line. Right. I don't know what that is. There's some of them stupid keys. This here is a gold door. And it's a right lump of a thing. Oh, and I don't have a ruler or nothing. No, I don't have. That's a base of a thing. This is about 70-80 mil. Aye. Dead shackle. It is a dead shackle. It is. That's a right lump of a key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks like 7 pinner. Nice. Right, last one. Get this out of my road. Oh, I don't know. Smart key. Quick set. And not bad. And that's the key for it. Right, that's them there on my road. Just want to get these out of my road just so I can make some space in this here table. That's now one of them stupid things that I have here, so it'll go in for a trade. Right, everybody, thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you again sometime because I've more stuff in here. Right, take care. Bye bye.